Honor has quietly become one of the most interesting smartphone brands to watch in 2026, delivering flagship-level hardware at prices that make Samsung and Apple look overpriced. Whether you want a premium, flat-screen flagship, a foldable, or a smart mid-range pick, Honor's lineup covers it all. I tested 5 of the best so you know exactly where to spend. Let's get into it. New to TechBee? We cover the phones and tech that actually matter. Honest reviews, real comparisons, no sponsored fluff. Hit subscribe right now so you never miss a video. We drop fresh content every single week and you'll want to be here for the next one. The Honor Magic7 Pro is the smartphone that announced Honor's arrival as a genuine flagship contender, and its specifications make it impossible to ignore. The Snapdragon 8 Elite processor delivers benchmark-topping performance that competes directly with the best from Samsung and Apple, handling everything from intensive gaming to 4K video recording without hesitation. The triple camera system featuring a massive periscope telephoto lens delivers exceptional zoom capability alongside versatile wide and ultra-wide options, with AI photography processing that produces consistently impressive results. The curved AMOLED display is strikingly beautiful, with high brightness, rich color, and a smooth refresh rate that makes every interaction feel premium. Battery capacity is substantial, supported by fast wired and wireless charging that minimizes downtime. Honor's Magic OS layer brings useful AI features including AI summarization, smart translation, and enhanced productivity tools. Build quality feels genuinely flagship grade, with premium materials throughout. For anyone who wants true flagship performance from Honor's lineup without paying the Magic8 Pro's premium, the Magic7 Pro remains one of the most compelling smartphones available in 2026. The Honor Magic7 Pro delivers genuine flagship performance at a price Samsung and Apple can't match, and the deal in the description makes it even more compelling. Check the link below and grab it today. Flagship quality, honest price. The Honor Magic8 Pro is Honor's current flagship pinnacle, and it raises the bar across every category that matters. The latest generation Snapdragon processor delivers the most powerful performance in Honor's entire lineup, handling demanding applications, gaming, and AI-driven features with exceptional efficiency. The camera system takes everything impressive about the Magic7 Pro and refines it further, with improved sensor hardware, enhanced low-light processing, and more sophisticated AI computational photography, delivering results that match the very best in the smartphone category. The display is a showcase piece, a high-brightness AMOLED panel with exceptional color, accuracy, and adaptive refresh rate that makes media consumption genuinely cinematic. Battery life improvements over the previous generation extend comfortable use through demanding daily routines, and charging speeds keep pace with the competition. Magic OS brings deeper AI integration and a more refined software experience than the Magic7 Pro. Build quality is visibly premium throughout, with materials and tolerances that feel genuinely flagship grade. For users who want the absolute best Honor can offer in 2026, the Magic8 Pro delivers without compromise. The Honor Magic8 Pro is the best Honor has ever made, and the price in the description reflects that genuine flagship engineering. Check the link below and grab it today. Honor's absolute finest, no compromises. The Honor 400 Pro is the mid-range pick that punches into flagship territory on camera performance, and for photography-focused buyers, it's one of the most exciting value propositions in Honor's lineup. The camera system features a high-resolution main sensor with sophisticated AI processing that captures impressive detail, color accuracy, and dynamic range for the price point. A capable telephoto lens adds genuine optical zoom versatility that typical mid-range phones skip entirely. The AMOLED display delivers excellent sharpness and color vibrancy for its price tier, and the high refresh rate keeps interactions feeling smooth. A capable processor handles everyday tasks, gaming, and multitasking comfortably without flagship-level cost. Battery life is generous, comfortably covering a full day of moderate to heavy use, and fast charging minimizes downtime. The design feels genuinely premium despite the mid-range positioning, with slim proportions and quality materials. For buyers who prioritize camera performance and don't need the absolute peak of processing power, the Honor 400 Pro delivers exceptional photography capability at a genuinely accessible price point on this entire list. The Honor 400 Pro delivers camera performance that embarrasses phones twice its price, and the deal in the description makes it genuinely hard to ignore. Check the link below and grab it today. Premium photos, mid-range price. The Honor Magic V55G is Honor's statement in the foldable smartphone category, and it demonstrates clearly that Honor has mastered the format. The book-style foldable delivers a tablet-sized inner display that unfolds for media, multitasking, and productivity use, while the cover screen handles everyday tasks without opening the phone. Honor has refined the hinge mechanism to a level of smoothness and durability that matches established competitors, addressing the reliability concerns that plagued early foldables. The flagship processor ensures no performance compromise accompanies the foldable form factor, and the camera system delivers results that hold their own against traditional flagship alternatives. The slim, lightweight profile when folded makes it genuinely more pocketable than previous Honor foldables, reducing the bulk trade-off that has historically limited foldable adoption. Battery life comfortably covers a full day despite powering 2 displays, and fast charging restores capacity quickly. For users who want the versatility of a tablet with the convenience of a smartphone and one genuinely refined device, the Honor Magic 5 is the most impressive foldable in Honor's history. The Honor Magic 5 is the foldable that makes the format feel genuinely mature, and the price in the description makes that versatility accessible. Check the link below and grab it today. Phone and tablet in one, done properly. Closing out the list with the Honor Magic 8 Lite, and this is the accessible entry point into the Magic 8 family for buyers who want Honor's premium design language and software experience without flagship pricing. The Magic 8 Lite features a capable mid-range processor that handles everyday tasks, social media, streaming, and casual gaming smoothly without the overkill specification of the Pro models. The display is an AMOLED panel with satisfying color reproduction and a smooth refresh rate, delivering a noticeably better visual experience than LCD alternatives at this price. The camera system covers everyday photography and social content creation competently, with AI processing helping to lift image quality beyond what the hardware alone would suggest. Battery life is genuinely impressive for the price tier, comfortably covering a full day and often extending into a second. Honor's Magic OS brings AI features and a polished software experience that punches above the price point. The slim, attractive design borrows aesthetic cues from Honor's premium models, making it look more expensive than it is. For budget-conscious buyers who want the Honor experience at its most accessible, the Magic 8 Lite is the smartest entry point on this entire list. The Honor Magic 8 Lite brings the Honor experience to the most accessible price point, and the deal in the description makes it a genuinely easy first Honor phone. Check the link below and grab it today. Great experience, honest price. Almost done, yeah. And if this breakdown just helped you find the right Honor phone for your budget and needs, do us one favor and hit that subscribe button. It takes 1 second and keeps us making honest content like this every week. We appreciate every one of you watching. All 5 links are in the description. Go check pricing because phone deals move fast. If this helped you find the right Honor phone, smash that like button and subscribe to TechBee for honest tech reviews every week. See you in the next one.